morning guys, welcome back to my another vlog, Always Riding. I am Harry and आज the weather is pleasant, so I have started my vlog from the car itself. आज मैं आपको ले जाने वाला हूँ गुड़गांव स्टोर, बिकॉज मुझे काफ़ी लोगों के फ़ोन आते हैं डैट लोकेशन एग्जैक्टली कहाँ है, शोरूम लेफ्ट हैंड पे, राइट हैंड पे, लैंडमार्क क्या है नियर बाय. सो आई गेट मैनी कॉल्स, तो एटलीस्ट इट विल हेल्प मैनी पीपल टू फाइंड आउट द रूट, exact route where we are located in Gurgaon, right? And yes, आज AXOR का stock भी आया हुआ है, तो I'll be doing a unboxing video for the same. So guys, मैं निकला हूँ अभी अपने घर से, which is on Sona Road. I'm coming from Vatika Chowk. ये आ गया है almost सुभाष चौक. Right में if you see, this is the underpass going. ये आपको connect करता है if you go opposite side to Mumbai Expressway, right? So लेके चलते हैं आपको Always Riding Gurgaon, Sona Road location. So here we have reached at Subhash Chowk. If you go on the left, you'll reach Hero Honda Chowk. If you go right, you'll reach sector 46, Huda City Center. And crossing the Subhash Chowk, you'll have to be on the service road itself. आपको right में जो underpass जा रहा है ये नहीं लेना है, because then you will exit near Rajiv Chowk. So Subhash Chowk से we are heading towards Rajiv Chowk, and आगे जाके will be based on the left, which I'll show you. And guys, one more thing, if you're coming from Rajiv Chowk, तो ये जो आप अंडरपास देख रहे हो, तो आपको सर्विस रोड से आना है और ये फर्स्ट अंडरपास यू टर्न लेना है. Then we are based here on the left. So guys, कार मैंने पार्क कर दी है. Now stepping inside the store and just have a look from the outside. Let's move inside and see what's happening. ये कितने बॉक्सेस आए थे?
3 बॉक्स.
ठीक है, ये AXOR का स्टॉक आ गया है. लेट्स स्टार्ट अनबॉक्सिंग. मीनवाइल आई विल गिव यू अ टूर ऑफ द स्टोर, अ शॉर्ट टूर. It's very hot outside. You can grab some fruities which are complimentary for our customers. Back to the unboxing. Here we have the AXOR Marvel Venom helmet in the store. Perks of being an official dealer, you get the new launches very soon. As soon as they launch, they are in the store. Here we are starting the unboxing. First glimpse mein you can see it mentions free iridium visor, so definitely there is gonna be a free visor inside from AXOR. And here you can see the price: AXOR helmet, AXOR Apex Marvel Venom black. And let's finally do the unboxing. Here comes the helmet, which is completely with a new bag which mentions Venom as well on the back. And it comes with a free visor, which is gonna be a iridium blue visor, as I can see. Yes, nice. Let's now finally have the first look. Bag seems quite premium, and here we go. The graphic is very beautiful in the combination of black and red. And rear me, if you can see, it has a Marvel branding. Meanwhile, I'll give you the cinematics. इसके अंदर भी दिखा दो क्या है. And inside the paddings again similar to Apex. You get a rear spoiler again, which is common in all the helmets. Then we have a Venom sticker tag. Tag is there for Venom. And some stickers. Comes with a double D-ring too. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the cinematics, and this was the latest launch from AXOR Marvel series Venom helmet, and we'll try to keep coming up with new vlogs with the latest product launches from all the brands we deal in. And this was the end of the today's vlog. So guys, do subscribe to my channel, like the video and share it with your friends. Signing off with Harry. Adios amigos.